Are you looking to create striking, multi-layered wood applications? Adhesive backing is common on many plastic materials, including acrylics, but did you know you can also apply it to wood? In this video, we'll show you how to easily create a striking sign using solid wood walnut and alder sheets. Start by processing your base material, in this case solid wood premium walnut. By scoring the outline of the design into the wood, you can give yourself guidelines for accurate positioning when coming to the alder sheets. Now we'll process solid wood premium alder. This sheet has adhesive backing onto it to allow us to lay onto the walnut sheet. You'll likely need to clean the material due to the residue created when laser processing. This is easy to achieve using a damp cloth or wet wipe. We hope that this video inspired you to think outside of the box when processing woods. Visit shop.troteclaser.com to discover the full range. From solid and veneer woods to plywood and MDF, we have a material to suit your needs.